Let's go, Monte Maria. Let's go.
She's on her own. Two girls at home.
Haba nito ah. Sa kaya tayo lalagay itong ating Google. Tabi-tabi po. Ano po ulit? Haba. Ano sinasabi ng Kuya Diego? San Pascual. God bless. Turn left. Continue. Yeah, boy. Agi na.
In 200 meters, turn right.
Pasok tayo ng Prime. Nandito ang Prime. Ito. Thank you na nga eh. Yun. May arko na. 20 pa rin yung arko niya. Memorial Park. First time kong di binati ah. Manakasalubong ko sa Alitagtag, puro kumakaway. Ang ganda rito ah. Puro malamig. Puro puno. Walang gana sasakyan. Nga lang, medyo maliit yung kalsada. Okay lang. Wala masyadong nadaan eh. Mga motor lang siguro, mga shortcut din. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Turn left. Turn left. Turn left. Turn left. Turn left. Yeah, boy. Yan tayo sa Pawan. Ano ba to? Ano ba na to? Palikok, Balayan. Okay. Where's your goal? University of Batangas.
200 meters, continue straight.
Continue straight. I'll take the second exit. Second exit. Ito, simbahan muna tayo. Simba muna tayo, Lods. Simba muna tayo. Simba muna tayo. tayo dito kanan. Wala yung signal. Libjo. Barangay Libjo. Bakit kailan? Pabalik ba ako? Barangay Libjo. Dito sa ano? Pasok dyan. Barangay San Isidro. Paahon tapos naka-curve. Ayos ah. Batangas City. Walang signal guys. Wala talaga. Kahit mag-live tayo, wala. Ibig sabihin, wala talaga signal. Kaya hindi tayo makakuha ng Google Map. Gawin na lang natin, dire-diretso lang natin to. Tapos pagka may likuan, tanong-tanong na lang tayo. So yun na lang. Let's go, let's go. Biglang na wala ang signal eh. Wala ng network. Yeah boy. Ayan. Ayan. Boss, pwede magtanong? Malayo pa po yung Monte Maria?
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that I can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing.
Monte Maria.
Put the work in, we got some work, man.
Maghanda kayo ng ano, panlusong. Medyo mahaba-haba ang lusong. Pero pag may pahinga naman, kaya naman. Kala kasi ako dire-diretso eh. Kaya, hingal kabayo na. Monte Maria na Lods. Karating tayo. Time check 7:57, 8 o'clock. Saktong 2 oras. Rise natin. So ayan o. Ganyan naman o. Yan siya o. Ganda. Ganda na lugar nito. Sulit, sulit. Sa mga bagong punta lang, mabibigla lang sa mga ahon. Pero pagka mga nakailang punta ka na, panalo. Ayan na. Welcome to Monte Maria. Let's go, let's go.
adrenaline bursts. From rocky climbs to tumble drops, every trail I ride, I never stop. From coastlines blazing under golden skies to mountain
Yeah, boy.
peaks where the eagle flies, I film the ride, I live the dream. Joel Biking Mix TV. You know what I mean? Ride with Joel through the mud and rain. Every uphill fight, every downhill gain. Wheels keep spinning, heartbeats race. Adventure on two wheels, this is the place. Drop that gear, let the camera roll. On the trail of life with Joel. Backflip stunts or a peaceful cruise. Every pedal push, I never lose. With GoPro views and epic scenes, we chase the wild, we chase the dream. Talking trails, tips and how-tos too. Crashing maybe, but we push through. Subscribers riding
Yeah,
every
boy.
mile. Click like, hit share, stay wild in style. Ride with Joel on every path and bend. From forest runs to the mountains end. Thrill in the right, soul in the goal. YouTube Trail King, Joel's in control. Drop that gear, let the freedom roll. Let the legend go, biking mix, let's go. Go! Keep riding, keep rolling. Keep aiming. Where every track has a story. See you on the next ride.
Mga Tia Maria. Yeah, boy.
Trails, tips and how-tos too. Where every pedal push, I never lose. With GoPro views and epic scenes, we chase the wild, we chase the drive. Drop that gear, let the camera roll. On the trail of life with Joel. Drop that gear, let the camera roll. On the trail of life with Joel. Oh. Go. Back with Joel through the mud and rain. Every uphill fight, every downhill gain. Wheels keep spinning, heartbeats race. Adventure on two wheels, this is the place.
Sige, boy, salamat.
Back gear, let the camera roll. On the trail of life with Joel. On the trail of don't be pushing the roll. On the trail of life
Wala,
with
wala akong
Joel.
dala. Nabutan na kayo. Galing ako ng Tia Maria. Okay na. Okay, galing.
Keep riding, keep rolling.
Yeah.
This is Joel Biking Mix.
Ano, yung ano kaya, ID ko sa ano, Daraitan.
Pag kami sumikat dyan!
Oo.
Sumikat kami! Ay! Idol! Ay!
Sige, sige.
Kailan po kayo,
Sige,
Kuya
ingat.
Jamal?
Oo. Gawin na ako. Pagod na eh.
Yeah.
Mahaba na. Ingat kayo dyan.